next we call as bitwise operator. Bitwise operator are used to perform the manipulation at data in bit level. Bit is what, like you represent information into the 0 and 1 format. That is called as a bit representation. This for manipulation data at the bit level to operate an individual bit and their operand. The operand can be provide various data types such as int, short, long, char, and byte. Now, there are different type of bitwise operator we are using: not operator, and operator, or operator, XOR operator. So these are the bitwise operator we are using. The bitwise AND operator, it perform AND operation on the two operand. 0 0, it represents 0, means false false, returning false. False true, false true, returning false. True false, returning false. True true, returning true. False false, returning false. Okay, so AND operator कौन होगा? यदि दीटा को कंडीशन false अच्छी ताले false return करियो. यदि गोटे कंडीशन false, गोटे कंडीशन true अच्छी ताले false return करियो. तो AND operator कौन है? यदि both bits are true, then it return the true value. False false false, false false false, false false false, true true is true, false true is false. এটা হচ্ছে bit representation of 2, এটা হচ্ছে bit representation of 3. 2 को bit wise representation कले value এটা रहेगा, 3 को bit wise representation कले এটা 3 रहेगा. So 2 and 3 operator it gives you 2. Okay, এটা লিখো. তারপর দেখো এটা হচ্ছে এটা বুঝিয়ে রাখো বিজনেস কনসো.
Again, sir.
বুঝতে যাও. হ্যালো, এটা বুঝি পাইলো? বিজয়
Again, sir. Bujili.
the bitwise OR operator, it perform an OR operation on the two operand. It result 0 if the both bits are 0 or else 1 in other case. 0 0, it return you 0, means false false, return you false. False true, return you true. True false, return you true. True true, it return you true operation. So in the case of OR operator, it perform OR operation in the two operand. If both the bits are false, it return you false. If false true, return you true. True false, return you true. True true, return you true. So it is a bitwise OR operator. The bit representation of 2, it has a 2, it has a 3. That's false false false. So true true is a true, false true is a true. 2 or 3 operated, range color 3. Okay, so it has the bit representation of 2 and bit representation of 3. So each other false for it has the OR representation. False false, false false false, false false false. Then true true true, false true is true. So it has the हमें मैच करें बेटा आसे तो समान हो 3 से तो समान हो. So 2 or 3 it gives it तुमको return करी होते थे ना तुमको return करी हो 3 होते. Bitwise not operator it is working on a unary operator or single operand. It is used to perform not operation in each bit of a binary number. It is also called as the bitwise complement. It is used to invert or complement each of these bits of a binary number. Like 0 means false, false or true, false or if it is false then it is returning true, if it is true then returning false, মানে যদি false হলা তাহলে true return করিব, যদি true হলা false return করিব। এটা হচ্ছে বিট ওয়াইজ নট অপারেটর। XOR operator কইছি যদি both bits যদি false রইলা তাহলে false, both bit যদি true রইলা তাহলে false, যদি both bit false রইব তাহলে false return করিব, both bit যদি true রইলা তাহলে false return করিব। false true is a true, true false is a true, false true is true, true false is true। এটা হচ্ছে XOR operator। So now it is showing you the bit representation of XOR 2 and 3. False, false is false, false, false is false, false, false is false. Then true, true is false, false or true is true. So 2 XOR operator 3, it gives a result as 1. 2 XOR operator 3, it gives you 1. Okay, so these are the unary operators very easy. Then we comes to the right shift operator and left shift operator. এটা ওটা concept देखो right shift operator, so right shift operator perform an arithmetic sign of right shift. The result of the shift is that first operand is divided by 2 raised to the number of times specified in the second operand. মানে যে first operand আছে 128 এটা divisible হবে, কার সাথে divisible হবে না 2 to the power 1, মানে এটি 1 আছে তো 128 is divisible by 2 to the power 1 মানে 64 আছে এটা। then the 256 divided by 2 to the power 4, then the 16 আছে 256 divisible by 2 to the power 4, that is minus 16. Right, our right shift operator, it perform the arithmetic or sign right shift. The result of the shift is that the first operand is divided by 2 raised to the number of times to the second operand. They move 256 right shift operator 4 देवे 256 divided by 2 to the power 4. Right, our right shift operator. Which पहला गिरजा তারপরে হচ্ছে আমরা লেফট শিফট অপারেটর কম হবে না মাল্টিপ্লাই হবে। যদি আমি লিখুছি 128 লেফট শিফট অপারেটর 1, that means 128 into 2 to the power 1. যদি আমি লিখিবি 16 left shift operator 2 16 into 2 to the power 2 2 to the power 2 ହେଲେ 4 ହେଲା 16 into 4 ହେଇଗଲା 64 এটা ହେଲା ଆମର left shift operator এটা হচ্ছে right shift operator এটা ହେଲା left shift operator Now comes to the conditional construct. Okay, so before going to the conditional construct, I will give you some kind of program. Okay, so write a program. Take a paper and pen and paper. Write a program. Take side of the square. Take side of a square. And find out area and perimeter of a rectangle. Next, you take another example. Enter 3 number from user. Enter 3 number from user. Find out its sum and perimeter. Sorry, find out its sum and average. Next, take a number from user and find out its Q. Take a number from user and find out its Q. Now comes to this part, like if it is raining and umbrella is required, so there is a condition. If it is rain, then umbrella is required. A similar way, in the decision making technique, it can be implemented in the Java program by using the following conditional construct. We're using three type of conditional construct. One is if construct, if else construct, and switch construct. Three type of construct we're using: if else, and switch. The decision making technique can be implemented in the Java program by using following conditional construct: if else, and switch. If else, and switch. Okay. These are the three constructs that we're using for decision making. If construct, if else construct, another is switch construct that we are using. The if construct execute the statement based upon the specified condition. Okay. So in the if construct, what happened? Okay, so first we have to give a condition, then you have to write a statement. Okay, so before that you write this one. Types of conditional construct. This 3 point you have to write. तीनटा point लिखो.
Sorry.
So in the if construct, execute the statement based upon the specified condition. The if then condition, if your condition is true, then statement within the if block is executed. Okay, so in the simple if, first your condition, you have to pass a condition. The condition is specified here. If your condition is true, then statement within the if block is executed. So simple if is what? I'm giving a simple example without else statement. First int age is equals to 18. So 18 is greater than 18. Condition is false. 18 is greater than 18. Condition is false. So it is showing you are eligible for vote. So it is not showing you anything because it is asking you that if your age is greater than 18, it is display something. But here the age is equals to 18. So it is not display you any value. Now what happened? If I pass here 19, if I pass here 11, then what happens? Then it is giving you the result. Sorry. If I pass here 19, then condition becomes true. So you are eligible for vote. So here we are passing what na if and else condition. If condition. Okay, so if condition कौन होची जदि मोर condition टा satisfy होची तले if block टा execute होची जदि मोर condition satisfy न होला तले किछि display करा सेति पे हमें कोन यूज करछे ना if and else construct यूज करछे नेक्स्ट होचे हमें if and else एटे डिफाइन करियो जेमा कंडीशन टा फॉल्स होचे एटी else ब्लॉक टा एग्जीक्यूट होबे if your condition is false, suppose I pass here 17, so 17 is not greater than 18, তাহলে আমার কো ব্লকটা এক্সিকিউট হবে না এলস ব্লক এক্সিকিউট হবে So it is showing you are not eligible for vote. If condition is false, it is showing you are not eligible for vote. The next program, you have to write some exercise. This exercise those write a program. Write a program. Take a number. And check it is a even number or odd. And check it is a even number or odd. Next, write a program, take two number and check the equality of two numbers. Okay. Do this and send me. Okay. The next class में आओ details से आओ program देखो. ये क्या करेंगे उसे
तो सेटा माने side of a square take side of a square and find its area and perimeter ना
हाँ, find its area and perimeter.
आज्ञा ठीक है ओके